where celebrities will be guests on the show. But you have to glow. You got to glow. You're on the show. And how do you got to glow? If you are an extraordinary photographer, if you are an immaculate artist, and I personally have an infatuation for the juxtaposition of incongruity, hypersurrealism, surrealism, pointillism. I like abstract concepts, and I'm seeing a lot of quite an hyper-surrealistic artists is quite ubiquitous, primarily on Instagram, and they got the glow, and the glow is basically when your inner being, your inner essence, your higher self, when you radiate that glow, and it's expressed externally on the three-dimensional material physical plane. And the Glow TV broadcasting television is between art and music. From a compositional standpoint, how to write, compose, I can arrange, I can transpose, I can transcribe, I can use sheet music. I have a fundamental understanding of how music works. And you see a cross-platforming between mutually exclusive domains. Those are just big jargonic terms for, in music we have composition, arrangement. In art we have composition. How you lay out the groundwork, how you lay out the foundation, how you lay out the shades and the colors, how you make an object pop, how you illustrate a three-dimensional depiction on a two-dimensional surface.